Depressed, frustrated, sad, confused. You want answer. Let's talk. Give me a message sa page ko sa Philippine Dating Coach and you can have one-on-one coaching with Coach Baze, your dating coach and psychologist. Just please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button.
Well, halos yata ng form of revenge naturo ko na, no? I mean, maging successful ka sa life, bigatan mo yung mga trabaho mo, yung frustration mo, yung energy mo sa ex mo, i-shift mo siya sa mga bagay na mas beneficial sa life mo, like yourself. Invest it to yourself. Alam mo, it's literally heartbreaking and soul-breaking when someone breaks your heart. Yeah, I know. It rips off your ribs out of your body. It's just totally and completely frustrating. I know that. It's human life. It should be something like that. Walang ibang way. Ganun talaga yun. Kapag iniwan ka ng tao mahal mo, kahit anong meditation mo maghapon, masasaktan ka. Hindi na natin matatanggal yung masasaktan ka. Let us accept the fact and let us just embrace it. Let us just have some sort of freedom with this pain. We cannot do anything about it. Yeah, we tried to do multiple practices para lang makaalis dyan sa sakit ng breakup, but sometimes you don't have a choice but just to accept it. I know it breaks your heart a lot, but can you just transfer those energies dun sa mga bagay na mas beneficial kaysa dyan? Napakadami kasing ways, napakadami ng mga paraan para dyan. We can have one-on-one coaching for that if you want. Give us a message sa page namin so we can talk one-on-one. Pero by this video, I just wanted to say na kung gusto mo makaganti sa ex mo, is pwede mong gawin yung mga bagay na yun. Unless you are so lazy to do that. You are very lazy. Kaya ang sagot ko, sipagan mo. You need to be enthusiastic. You need to be hardworking. Work properly for yourself. Sipagan mo. Ang kasagutan sa lahat ng problema sa buhay, kasipagan. Procrastination is a major sign of anxiety. Kaya instead of procrastinating, petiks-petiks, waiting, why don't you move yourself? Tayo ka na, sige. Mag-exercise ka na. Run and run and run and run. Diba? Mag-jogging ka na, mag-gym ka na, then mag-business ka na. I know it's hard, but do the thing that will make you more and more valuable as a human being. And you can be successful someday. Why not? Right? Ang dami ng tao na nag-transform dahil lamang sa breakup na imbis na yung buhay nila is nag-end up na, is yung buhay nila is nagpatuloy pa because they fought for what they believe is true. Kaya I believe in something like that. If you want, you can fight for yourself in order for you to win. That is why I encourage you, maging masipag ka sa buhay. Alam ko na yung iba sa inyo OFW, nagtatrabaho lang sa ibang bansa, yung iba sa inyo is worker, masipag naman sila pero they can still feel devastated about the breakup. Then para makaganti sa ex mo, anong gagawin mo? Yeah, you can do all the advices na binigay ko, yung mga basic na yun. Pero kung gusto mo talaga makaganti overall, palitan mo! Ganun lang. Palitan mo! Masasaktan din yan. Kasi dati, ikaw yung alam niyang, ikaw tipong obsessed ka sa kanya dati. Alam niya, ako lang mahal yan. Parang ganun yung mindset niya hanggang hiwalayan ganyan, di ba? Parang ako lang love niyan, ako lang gusto niyan, ako lang love niyan, ako lang gusto niyan. Yun yung akala niya. Pero ngayon, pwede ka na pala mag-relationship ng iba. I mean, hindi ko naman ine-encourage ka na kaka-break up mo lang is bukas meron na. Pero, let's be fair. Kung meron ng bago ex mo, hindi maghanap ka na ng bago. Kung hindi ka pa handa, okay lang. Kahit ligaw-ligaw muna, kahit gano'n na muna, kahit wala na munang... what I'm talking about is there are plenty of options out there. It is not the end of your life or end of era of humanities na ikaw na lang, siya na lang natitirang lalaki sa mundo, siya na lang natitirang babae sa mundo. Ano kalokohan yun? Walang ganun. And that is my very simple point of view. If you want, dumanap ka na lang ng iba. Yung mas better. That's a form of revenge. Yeah, that's it. Because you love that person more than your ex. And your ex will be jealous about that. Maybe hindi niya ma-feel yung jealousy niya ngayon. Pero eventually, magkakaroon din siya ng jealousy at envy. Na bakit? Mas pina-priority mo tong tao na to. Ngayong karelasyon mo siya kumpara dun sa relasyon mo nung kayo pa ng ex mo? Bakit mas mabait ka? Bakit mas successful ka? Bakit mas blooming ka sa bago mong relationship na to kumpara dun sa relationship nyo dati ng ex mo? So, she or he will think about that, and wala ba akong kwentang tao back then? Bakit mas masaya siya ngayon kumpara nung masaya siya dati na magkarelasyon kami? Right? So, you are providing value to yourself and value to someone you met. Why don't you try to do that if you want to have a legitimate revenge? I mean, no talk shit, no bullshit. That's just a simple revenge. Let's see. I think that will work. It is just you who is doubting it. And you have an opportunity right now. I know you feel like it's a bad advice kasi coach, agad-agad hanap. Hindi ko naman sinabing agad-agad eh. If you want to have a certain revenge, then self-improvement, basic things. But if you are not satisfied with those things, then fix your life with someone. And when you fix your life with someone, then that's actually completely beneficial to your side. Because you will become successful in the future with your new partner. And this is the greatest form of revenge na pwede mong gawin. Anyways, thanks for watching.